How to get 1099 from TreasuryDirect. First, go to TreasuryDirect website and log into your account with account number. From your My Account page, click on the Manage Direct tab. Then scroll down to Manage My Taxes and click on the appropriate year. Look for View Your 1099 for that year. You will be directed to a printable version of your 1099. Print as you normally would. Then scroll down and click the Return button. Then click on My Account tab. Scroll down to your linked account information and click on the next account. Click on Manage Direct tab. Click on the applicable tax year. Click here to view your 1099 for tax. That's it. Thanks for watching.